Good day, everyone. Jewel here for J7409 weather today on Tuesday, the 9th of July, 2019. What in the world's going on for the U.S. weather? Well, this is the NAM map. We're going to turn it on courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, and here we go. Folks, we got severe weather and heavy rainfall expected for northern Central Plains today and the Great Lakes area tomorrow. Talk about rain. How about the flooding up in Arlington and Alexandria and around the Washington, D.C. area yesterday? 2, 3, 4 inches fell in just an hour or so, folks. It flooded like crazy. People were having to be rescued from their cars and their homes, and it was just a mess. So don't let that happen to you if you get some of this severe rain starting, okay? We got a low pressure area, and it's causing heavy rain for eastern and central Gulf Coast today through Thursday. We know about that. And record heat is going to continue across portions of southern Alaska today. Now, a surface low moving across the northern plains and Great Lakes is going to produce a severe weather and heavy rain event over the northern plains through today. Great Lakes, you're going to get it tomorrow with heavy rain slated for the northeast on Thursday. Now, temperatures are expected to fall considerably behind the cold front trailing behind the surface low pressure system. Highs in the 70s are expected in the northern high plains and Wyoming today, which shift into the northern plains and Minnesota tomorrow and the Great Lakes area on Thursday. An area of low pressure is drifting southwest from Georgia. We know about that into the northeast Gulf of Mexico just ahead of a weakening cold front by tomorrow before turning west-southwest offshore the central Gulf Coast, Louisiana on Thursday. That's where it should go up around the Louisiana coast. Now, it's looking like it could drift over some of the rain from it into Texas. As I said in my tropical update, you'll have to go look at it. But the National Hurricane Center advertises that it does have a high chance of this system evolving into a tropical depression later this week. Okay? But either way, the tropical system is going to be there in the Gulf of Mexico. You guys need to keep your eyes on it. Now, outside of the system circulation, record warm low temperatures are possible across the southeast and Gulf Coast with a lot of hot and humid summertime air mass. Record heat over parts of poor Alaska are expected to continue through today as a high-pressure system weakens and moves westward across the Bering Strait into Russia. Now, fire weather and smoke concerns continue due to the existing brush fires already there in Alaska and the possibility of thunderstorms-induced fires over the next few days. These thunderstorms and the ground-to-cloud lightning are going to cause some more fires up in the Alaska area. That's very possible. Now, records are likely to be set today with slowly decreasing temperatures thereafter as this ridge moves further off. Increasing high temperatures, they're expected across the western U.S. with time as the jet stream retreats northward, and by Thursday, highs in the 90s will be a commonplace with 110 expected in the desert southwest. What about severe weather today? Well, you're looking at the graphical outlook here, the categorical outlook for severe weather, and seems that severe thunderstorms producing large hail and damaging wind gusts are possible again today and starting this afternoon's when it should happen and go right through the evening hours across parts of Wyoming into the southern South Dakota and northern Nebraska area. Additional scattered strong to severe storms may also impact portions of the Dakotas and the upper Midwest. So you need to keep a good eye out for things on that. So far as tornadoes go, Minnesota has a 2% chance, part of Wisconsin, all the way down to Iowa. It does not go down into Missouri, but this is for the 2% chance of tornadoes, okay? Now we got a 15% chance wherever you see this darker green today of wind, microbursts popping up all the way from Wyoming over to western Illinois, parts of Wisconsin, all of Minnesota, Iowa, and northern Missouri, and just a little bit of Kansas down here. Hail, very same thing. You got a 15% chance in this very same area that is marked out in the dark green. And that's a check of your weather today. For what you can expect, be aware, my friends, these storms are something else when they pop up. As you can see, we do have a chance of splash and dash and popcorn showers, maybe some microbursts from Florida all the way up to the Carolinas, into West Virginia, parts of lower Ohio, parts of eastern Kentucky, and from mid to eastern Tennessee, all the way down through the southern Gulf states and up and into Montana. So with that said and done, hey, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching and everything you do for me. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you.